everyone. So we are Team Mimosa. We are all, actually we have 6 members, but one is not here today. We are working on our final year project in our School of Information System. So basically we work for Standard Chartered Bank under this iLab, which is a collaboration between SMU and also the Standard Chartered Bank. So basically, the Standard Chartered Bank has bought this table, multi-touch table. It's called Microsoft Surface, and they required some application to for the bankers to have like discussions with their client when they sit together and have discussion, and then take down notes and then follow up after that quickly and conveniently. So, do you want to demo?
Yeah, let's just start with the demo now. So basically, this is a new way to enhance the collaboration and discussion for the private bankers with the client. So our application support multi-touch. We can open documents, open multiple documents. Yes.
You can open documents like PowerPoint, Microsoft Word, PDF, and they can also flip the page, and so we can have discussion like if I'm the banker and she's the client, and then we can have discussion, and we can also comment on this document. So I can type something here and then save my document. So if after that I want to follow up with my discussion, so I can email this document to me or the client, so that after that we can just have
some follow-up.
Yeah. So basically, for this project, we feel very lucky that we have this chance to work with the Microsoft Surface table, which is quite a new technology, right?
And the way it adds value to the bank is because it's a new kind of technology which fully utilize the multi-touch capabilities. So it really helps enhance the discussion and collaborations from the private bankers and their clients. Just imagine that business dealings are actually conducted by just swiping and using your hand gesture as a coffee table. Something that we think that can only be achieved in the future, but actually we can do right here, right now with these new technologies from Microsoft Surface. Besides that, what have we learned throughout this project is because of the nature of the project, actually the requirement and the scope keep changing and expanding. So we really need very rigorous ways to manage our project. One of them is we add new iterations, keep reviewing our plans, and come up with new functions by weekly iterations, and get feedback from clients and supervisor. Yeah.
And throughout this project, I think we all, our team has actually developed a very strong bond, and we always go and watch movie together and have fun together. Like after our meeting, actually bonding is quite an important thing. I mean, like not a distraction of the project, but it actually add to our team dynamic, which enhance our working collaboration after that.
Any other challenges?
We also managed to pick up new technical skills, and also not only technical skills but also soft skills. Technical skills because we need to develop this multi-touch application, so we managed to pick up Microsoft.NET technology. Not only that, we managed to pick up soft skills such as negotiation with the clients, because the scope keep on changing. So we managed to learn. We practice one of the SIS learning outcomes.
Because all this actually they are not directly taught from the school curriculum, but still, because the foundation that we have on the programming language, so we can have a smoother learning process. And this application is actually designed by Tessie. And you have any takeaway from here?
Because this is not like our usual application, it's a multi-touch application. So I learned about like how to design an application that is more intuitive and more interactive.
Sometimes it's quite hard because there's no right click or hover over on this multi-touch screen. There's only one finger touch, so we need to think of from a different perspective from a normal computer. Yeah, this is a very fun thing. Actually, it's a good challenge.
I think there are always better ways to do it. Actually, at first our design are not very nice, and the loading of the documents also very slow, but we can improve it.
Yeah. From the frustration moments, actually last time we thought we are stuck there and we cannot move on, but still after rigorous like learning, research, etc.
You learn to persevere.
And
Yeah.
determination and perseverance will
Perseverance.
get us there.
Yes,
So never give up.
yes, that's what we learned from the students.
Okay, can we start? Okay. So let's start by tracking out a document.
Oh,
Maybe-
this is Microsoft PowerPoint, this is PDF and Microsoft Word. Okay, so I open this loops.
Okay, so
It's very intuitive,
you
as
can
you can
play
see.
around with this by very natural hand gesture,
It's very
pinching
fun.
to zoom in and
Oh, keyboard. Yes.
so I also can send email directly from these applications by just typing on the two field, then there will be a virtual keyboard appearing on the application surface. So I can just type, let's say my email.
And actually, we can also like add attachment, other files as well. Yeah, and remove them.
And
So this is like for the bankers. After they discuss, then they can send this to their clients.
and yeah, I can send email. If the
Yeah.
email is sent successfully, this form shall disappear after 10 seconds.
Yep, and all this button here is to facilitate the users to find the files that they want. Like they can do filter or sort, and they can also like go into other folder.
Show the other
That's all.
application.
Okay.
Besides this application, we also developed another one, which the purpose of this application is to attract the attention of passerby, the clients of the private bankers. So in the main page of this application, we have some elements. One of them is the video, which shows the information about the Standard Chartered Bank, and again, it's very intuitive in interaction with all of
Since
these
opening our
elements.
first branches in Shanghai and Kolkata over 150 years ago,
And
Standard Chartered Bank has
after you
established its
already
reputation
interact with all
as
these
an
elements,
innovative
sometimes
market
it
leader
looks
and trust.
very messy. So I just press this button to arrange everything nicely. Besides that, we also have moving stock panels showing all of the index stock as well as Standard Chartered stock. In order to view more information on stock, we can track out the stock for the stock panel. This will display some sort of form that have more information about the stock. It also contains a chart regions whereby we can choose to see different charts of different attributes, and you can tap on the charts regions to see the value of the charts on some specific date and time. Besides, we also support the full screen chart mode, where the same chart actually is displayed in a larger resolution. So we can zoom in the charts and hand the charts, and it also support chart comparison, meaning I can track out multiple stock. So from this point of view, I can just tap on the chart and hold my finger there for more than 1 second, move my finger along and see all of the different value being changed accordingly. This will facilitate the chart comparison. So
Yes.
that's all for applications functions.